I think watching birds walk is so funny. It's like they have so much soul. Like they're their own, like 70s band. They're so funny. Look at them. Look at them walk. Hey. What's it?
That's nice.
We're at Jetta Burgers. So fashionable. C for cologne.
It's not real.
We got free smoothies, banana smoothies, because we come here too often. Yay! Jetta Burger.
Only I asked for cheese.
And fries. My smoothie. Yum! Itadakimasu. Hey guys! So, I'm at home, obviously. And I want to show you the construction that's going on. See that construction truck? Right now. They're doing construction and they're yelling at each other. We're on our way to Maeda. Yeah. We're on our way to Maeda. We're taking the windy road. So pretty today. Let's welcome. Brandon's first time. We're at Maeda. Look how low the tide is. Super low. Super low. My goodness. We just got to campground. Look at Marlon and Megan. The tide is very, very low today. Look. Probably have to walk maybe half a mile out to get to some actual water. So, it's kind of, but it's whatever. It's still going to be a good day. Good morning, kitty cat. Bye-bye, kitty cat. So, I just got to McDonald's, but there's this car that's next to me, and on the back of the car, it's got the words Forrest Gump on the back. It says Forrest Gump. Those kids are going bug catching. And then that one kid. I missed it. So I just got home and it's about 10:45-ish and I haven't ate anything all day. But driving up here, I saw Tus Amigos was open, so I'm about to go to Tus Amigos. They're still doing construction. There's two guys that are working downstairs. Well, they're not even really working. They're kind of just sitting in the truck. But I don't know what they're doing. But they're still doing construction, and I'm about to go to Tus Amigos and get me some chicken and some relleno de papa. Yeah. I'm so excited. I got my Tus Amigos. Yay! There's chicken and my relleno de papa. Yum! It's so exciting. They make the students clean the outside of the school. Wouldn't be in America. They wouldn't make the kids clean the school in America. Nope. These girls, they got detail. There's 3 of them. They're sweeping the sidewalk. So cute. They look so fashionable in their fashionable clothes. It's obviously not a private school because they're wearing like street clothes and stuff like that. You can hear the lunch bells. Then before that you can hear the emergency sirens, which they run on base every Friday at noon to make sure that the emergency sirens are working. They run the emergency sirens because it's typhoon season, and they want to make sure that the sirens are working just in case something happens. So they run them every Friday at noon, and you can hear them. Over the construction and the wind. And oh, there it is again. So the sirens are basically saying, you know, this is typhoon warning, please get to higher ground, stuff like that. So, yeah.